Hey, my name is Thomas. I'm currently in the financial advisory space working for a firm called Ernst & Young. In my group, we focus on providing valuation services for companies that go through either a merger or an acquisition, and we value everything from an individual component of a company to an entire business or a single stock or share price of a company. The most beneficial thing to me was how well versed I became in my first 3 years before specializing and majoring in finance in my fourth. I think it taught me not only how to excel in my own specialization, but also understand how other areas of a business operate, which is, in my opinion, extremely valuable whenever you get to interact with people from outside of your specialization. Atlanta is a continuously growing business hub in the US. There are a lot of people from other cities in the US that are moving here either for education or for work. It has one of the largest airports in the world, which makes it really accessible both for tourism and for professional purposes. And this is something I wasn't expecting it to be when I initially moved here. This is a very easy question. My most memorable experience has to be, hands down, the study exchange program in my third year of the program. It allowed me to make friends with people from all over the world who I'm still in contact with till this day. I think it's about approaching things outside of your cultural norm with an attitude of curiosity and eagerness to learn. This allows you to identify those key cultural differences and work with people and communicate effectively with people from a different background. The one tip I would have to incoming students is to take initiative, stay focused, try to absorb and learn as much as possible, and make use of every single resource the school is providing you to learn.